How to turn on YouTube Accessibility Player. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to turn on the Accessibility Player controls on YouTube but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to enable it. Open Settings on a device, scroll down to the end, tap on Additional Settings, then tap on Accessibility. Select Accessibility menu. Make sure to toggle on the button for Accessibility menu shortcut. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Allow, then tap on Got It. Once you have turned on the Accessibility menu shortcut feature, come back to the home screen, open YouTube on a device. You will land on its official home page. Tap on the circle with your profile picture, tap on the settings icon at the top, scroll down to the end, select Accessibility, toggle on the button for Accessibility Player. Once you turn it on, the Accessibility Player controls will now appear on both YouTube long form videos and shorts. Let's see if it actually worked. Come back to the YouTube homepage and play any video of your choice. And boom, you have successfully turned on the Accessibility Player controls on YouTube. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.